Mini Tesla Coil DIY Electronics Kit. Tesla coils are primarily used for producing high voltage, low current, high frequency, alternating current electricity. A mini Tesla coil DIY electronics kit is a small-scale version of a Tesla coil, which is a type of resonant transformer circuit invented by Nikola Tesla around 1891. A Tesla coil typically includes the main components: a primary coil, a secondary coil, a capacitor, a spark gap, and a power source. Primary coil. This coil is connected to a power source, typically a high voltage capacitor, and is responsible for generating an oscillating electric current. Secondary coil. This coil is often composed of many turns of wire and is responsible for producing the high voltage. In a Tesla coil, the capacitor plays a vital role in managing the flow of energy, ensuring a stable and controlled discharge of high voltage. In a Tesla coil, the spark gap is a critical element that controls the discharge of electrical energy between the primary and secondary coils. It essentially acts as a switch. A solid-state switch can replace the spark gap. However, caution must be exercised when choosing the switch to ensure it can handle the high voltages and currents involved in the Tesla coil's operation. Ready to unleash the power of DIY electronics? Grab your mini Tesla coil kit and embark on an electrifying journey. Click the link in the description to make it yours and start building today.